Hello everyone. So once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video straight away, I'm going to be solving this limit-based function x squared minus x minus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 8x plus 5 limit as x tends to -1. So first off, I'm going to be introducing the L'Hopital rule. This is one of the basic formulas in differentiation. Let's see how it becomes an a and the dummy function x to the power of n, where a and n are constants. So we're going to have n times ax to the power of n minus 1. So right after doing that, what we are going to do next is we're going to write this limit as x tends to -1. Then we have 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 1 x to the power of 1 minus 1 divided by 3 times 2x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 8 times 1 to the power of 8 times x 8 times x to the power of 1 minus 1. So I know you'll be wondering that where is the -2 and where is the +5? The reason is because the derivative of a constant function is 0 and the derivative of an identity function is 1. So if you want to continue with that now, if you want to continue with that, we're going to have 2x 1 times 1 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 0 into to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 divided by, we have 6x plus 8 plus 8. So next step, anywhere we see x, we are going to be putting -1. So I'm going to have 2 times -1, then minus 1 divided by 6 -1 plus 8. This now is going to be equal to -2 times, -1 times 2 is -2. -2 minus 1, we have -3 divided by 6 times -1 is -6. Then +8 plus -6 is +2. Or therefore, the answer to this is -3/2. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow for more. I'll see you in the next video. Stay with us.